Welcome to the exciting world of 1,000 Vlogs. The Shrine of Remembrance is Victoria's National War Memorial, built in 1934 to honor First World War veterans and now commemorating all Australians who have served. Recognized as Australia's leading cultural tourism destination, the shrine offers a moving and immersive visitor experience. If you are looking for a place to pay your respects to the Australians who have served in any war, the Shrine of Remembrance in Melbourne is the perfect destination. The Shrine of Remembrance is not only a war memorial, but also a museum, a gallery, a garden, and a cultural attraction. The Shrine of Remembrance was built as a tribute to the Victorians who served in the First World War. It was designed by two Melbourne architects, Philip Hudson and James Wardrop, who won a competition for the best design. They were inspired by the ancient monuments of Greece and Egypt, such as the tomb of Mausolus and the pyramids, and used tin on granite as the main material. Please like, share, and subscribe. Please do watch our other Melbourne, Australia vlogs. The shrine also has an eternal flame, a symbol of eternal life that burns continuously on the forecourt. The flame was lit by Queen Elizabeth II in 1954 during her visit to Australia. The main feature of the shrine is the Stone of Remembrance, engraved with the words, "Greater love hath no man," taken from the Bible verse John 15:13. The shrine has been expanded and renovated several times to include other conflicts and peacekeeping operations that involved Australians. In 1985, a Remembrance Garden was added to commemorate the post-Second World War conflicts, such as Korea, Malaya, Vietnam, and Afghanistan. In 2003, a visitor center was opened to provide information, education, and hospitality services to the visitors. Have you had the chance to visit Melbourne, Australia? Or are you planning a visit soon? Please comment down below. In 2014, the Galleries of Remembrance were inaugurated to display over 800 artifacts, artworks, and personal items that tell the stories of Australians in war and peacekeeping. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe for more exciting vlogs.